I knew I wanted to be a chef from a really young age. I started working in the kitchen at the living room as a sous chef, but I just had this little, thing inside me kind of niggling away at me, and I wanted to open up a gourmet providore. My name's Beck from Gourmet Living in Templestowe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a berry and lemon curd Eton mess. First off, you get a nice serving glass, and pop in a mixture of fresh berries. I've got some blueberries, raspberries and some strawberries there. Then I've got this beautiful lemon curd from Unforgettable Products. I'm just going to dollop some of that lemon curd in, and then I'm also going to put in some beautiful petite vanilla meringues made again by Unforgettable Products. Once I've popped those meringues in, I'm going to get some fresh passion fruit pulp and just drizzle that over the top. And then to finish it off, I'm going to get some raspberry, pistachio and white chocolate meringue and crumble it on top. Then serve and enjoy.